Welcome back. Fall allergies are nothing to sneeze at here on the Sun Coast, and Florida's allergy season is longer and stronger than much of the country. But you don't have to turn to prescription medicines or drugs that make you feel fuzzy. Here to explain some natural alternatives is Dr. Jenny Wilkins from AgeVital Pharmacy. Great to see you, Dr. Jenny.
Thank you.
Before we start on our allergy issues, tell us a little bit about being downtown now with your new store. Not just a place we can pick up meds, you've got lots of things there.
Yeah, I mean, we have all sorts of integrative providers in there. So we have doctors that come and utilize, some space. They lease space from us to do drips, to do injections, to see patients, internal medicine doctors, acupuncturists, chiropractors, things like that. So we're full service pharmacy and integrative, probably the only integrative pharmacy in the United States. So
that's wonderful.
One-stop shop wellness center.
All right, well, let's talk allergies because I know a lot of people are getting really, starting to have some real issues this time of year. What did you bring and how do they help the complaints that people have?
Well, allergies, it's so simple. I don't believe in diseases. I believe in what is your body deficient in. Okay, why do people get allergies? You get scratchy nose, itchy throat, you get congestion, you get sinus issues, itchy watery eyes, sometimes you get hives, depends on, people's lifestyles and bad habits.
So it says we need something.
Right,
if we're
your body is supposed to react like that when it's being poisoned somehow. You want it to react. That's a sign that you're deficient in something. And these are my top 3 products that I tell people that they need to be on.
So the one all the way in the corner over there, what is that?
Yeah, I see NAC. What does that stand for?
I call it NAC, N-acetylcysteine, Gesundheit, right?
Yeah.
Yep. That's why we call it NAC. It's very simple. It's an amino acid, but it helps break down mucus in your lungs. So anybody that comes in with bronchial issues, colds, I give them N-acetylcysteine either by capsule. Some people will do IV drips of N-acetylcysteine, and it clears out their lungs.
Oh,
really fast. Sinus infections,
so if you have
ear
the cough
infections,
and the...
I needed that a couple weeks ago when she gave me
gone.
Zika.
I did not give you Zika. And my Zika's gone, by the way. So, and I know why, because Dr. Jenny hooked me up with what's in the middle there.
Yep,
So let's talk about the need for vitamin C.
Vitamin C is huge. There's so many clinical trials from all the peer-reviewed journals from other healthcare providers. What it does is it lowers the amount of histamine in your blood. So histamine, when you have histamine, that means you're going to have an allergic reaction to something. So vitamin C, at least 2,000 milligrams of vitamin C, helps lower blood levels of histamine.
So even though we think that to be a way to fight colds or flu, it actually helps with allergies as well.
Exactly. Well, and sometimes allergies is the cause of getting a bacterial or viral infection or fungal infection. So the stronger your body is, the stronger your immune system is, the less likely it is you're going to get a cold or a bacterial.
You are.
Yep. So when you're getting an ear infection, when you're getting a sinus infection, it normally starts as like a secondary issue.
Okay.
So
that's
from
good
allergies,
to know.
underlying allergies.
And then my personal favorite, these have changed my life. I do not say this lightly. Tell us about this probiotic and what makes it different than other probiotics.
Well, ours is a 15 strain and they're soil-based. So meaning it's as if you just grabbed some fruit from your tree and ate an apple. Yep, and you're getting that real good flora, the good probiotics, the good bacteria for your intestines. Your body's like an ecosystem, okay? Like a fish tank, you have to keep it balanced. The more bacteria you have in your gut, the stronger your body is going to be fighting off bad bacteria that goes in there and attacks your stomach lining.
And you know what
you mentioned this because Stephanie was talking about the fact that, not all probiotics are created equal.
No.
And then yours is a little different because it's actually alive and it has to be kept in a fridge or something like that?
It's refrigerated. There's a lot of probiotic supplements at health food stores, and they're on the shelf just sitting there. I'm like, they're dead. They're no good. You have to have probiotics that are refrigerated.
You want it live. And a lot
you
of
want
times
more
you don't
than one
know
strain.
the reason either, and then you start to try some of these things and your body responds.
Yes.
And it's such a good feeling.
Yep. Allergies helps you poop like a champ.
Always good. It's one of our goals here on Sun Coast View. All right, thank you, Dr. Jenny. You know what? We keep it real, and that's the way we are. You can visit Dr. Jenny and ask her real questions about your health and body or the providers she works with. AgeVital Pharmacies in downtown Sarasota and on St. Armand's Circle. We love it. Thank you. Next, we're going to talk to a group of mountaineers about their amazing adventure, and they're going to teach us how we, too, could get ready to climb. Stay with us.